years to go. Waiting.
I have a customer who graduated from Queens in 1941. And I keep him up to date on what's going on. He's waiting for me to get the game today, but yeah, 1941.
Unbelievable. Hey, let me shake your hand here. I loved being here. I live in Montreal, and we came up, me and my friend here, for the game.
That's great. Thanks for the support.
You guys made it worthwhile.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Incredible company. 25 cents. You guys got to a normal team would have sat there with, I know.
You guys came through. Awesome.
Oh yeah, we just had to go hard.
Shake faith. They had the faith. I am.
He's proud.
I'm proud. I'm like, I'm just like,
I'm over the moon. Like,
you gotta love the support though. I mean, you got people from, I saw 70s, I saw 80s, you deserved it.
I thought
Yeah, they did. They did.
Enjoy.
All right, Shanker. He's not that hard to find, is he?
No. That's this way. Yeah, let's get a close up here. Let's get a close up here in the middle. Oh, you gotta hold on. Sweet.
43. Wasn't he in 43? Yeah. Where is he anyway?
I'm good.
Walking around. Where's that?
I'm taking a movie.
Yeah, that's great. What's up, man?
Awesome. I came up here. I came up here from Montreal. I graduated 20 years ago.
I'm so proud of you boys. I'm hopefully next year I'll be able to help you.
I'm like just, I'm jumping out of my skin like you guys.
Yeah, man.
It's awesome.
That was a great game.
Great game.
Really? That was a great game.
It's really neat. The wife came up and this guy was in his 70s. He'll be there.
Well, there's the Vanier Cup again.
That's a big job. Forward to him a minute.
Holy fuck, this guy's a giant. Woo! Look at this guy.
I got a picture. You already got a picture.
There he is. Shake.
Shaker!
I didn't see anybody else besides you two. I've been all around.
All right, come with us. Come with us.
Get someone to take a picture of the three of us, maybe.
Okay, hold on.